good sign. That means you're getting ready to start firing any second now.
Hey, they're over there.
Yeah,
They're over there.
all over the place. But we're focused on this one right here. We're focused on this area. You guys can hear the faint pops. You guys are going to hear loud pops.
Yeah, we got front row seats, baby.
Yes, we do, Mr. Oh, here we go.
Here we go, baby. Boo, baby. And Zuki is going to get a hit earful tonight. Yeah, we're recording for YouTube. Zoom out because this is getting interesting.
Crap, I got 4 minutes left on my clock.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to hit you.
Oh, double shot.
Hey, if you want, you can cut that off and we can share the video. Like, if you can give me credit.
Yeah, no problem.
Boom, de boom.
Boom, sucker.
Ooh, kaboom.
My neighborhood's over there somewhere.
Me and him really live close, not even 5 minutes away from each other, right?
5 minutes, if not 6.
Yeah, he just lived down the road from me. I have to say, this is like my 6th time of the year.
Here we go.
Woo! Woohoo! Rapid fire, baby!
Oh yeah! Woo!
And the firefly just flew right over me. Boom! Boom! Boom!
Here we go.
The music keeps cutting in and out because of fireworks.
I'm not worried about the music.
I'm gonna switch hands. Kids do not like fireworks off in the neighborhood unless you want to hear car alarm.